Hi, I'm Cole Chapman. I'm a middle school math teacher. I'm also in charge of the web crew for the middle school.
And I'm Rebecca Fondrick, and I teach high school religion, and I'm in charge of the Link program for freshmen. Our roles start even before school.
We are in charge of implementing training and running the orientation day for all middle schoolers
And freshmen. And so I have juniors and seniors who help mentor the freshmen.
I have sophomores, juniors, and seniors who mentor the middle schoolers.
And we do lots of fun events throughout the school year to really build that community.
Such as
Movie night!
And around Christmas during finals week,
We do Coco and Cram,
and many other
Christmas-themed activities. We have game nights too. Hey Cole, do you want to play Twister?
Yeah! Do you want to play bingo?
Yeah! Besides those activities, we host events throughout the whole school year that are super fun.
We also provide a monthly check-in with the leaders, mentors, and their students.
And we look forward to you joining
The Hill Murray School Community.